Hey friends, it is me Stace. Welcome back to another Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest inspired project. Today we're making this fun fold card, but it is also a gift card holder. You can see that there. Super simple to make. So the first thing you need is a piece of cardstock. This is Paper Tray Ink Lemon Tart, 4 1/4 by 11. You want to score this at 2 1/2 and again at 5 1/2. We're going to go ahead and fold that in half. And the second fold, you want to fold that inward. That's going to create the pocket. So it looks like that there. You're going to fold this part down and then like that. Okay? Alright, we also need some paper. So I have a piece of white. This piece is 4 by 5 1/4 for the inside. Pattern paper. I have 3 pieces. This one is 2 3/4 by 4, 2 1/4 by 4, and this is 1 inch by 4. In the same color cardstock, this piece is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. Then we have our white piece that is 2 1/2 by 2 1/2. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take this strip and we're going to adhere that to the inside of our card. And I cut this piece longer because if I cut it exactly at 4 inches, I would probably be crooked. So I like going longer and then just trimming it up. So get that on there. I'm going to flip it over and then just cut off the extra. Okay, we can go ahead and adhere that to the inside of our card. That is done. And the paper I'm using is Paper Tray Ink Dottie Biscotti, and the other one, the flower one, I forget where that was from. Alright, so now we have the front. Take your pattern paper. This is a 2 3/4 piece. Put that piece there, and then the 2 1/4 piece is going to go there, which is going to be our gift card holder pocket. Okay, and that one's going to go there. Alright, so now we have our card. This piece is going to get folded under. Now I'm going to take a 3/4 inch circle punch and punch a notch out of this. If you don't have a circle punch, just cut like a little square out so it gives you a finger notch. Now we're going to take our glue. Now I'm going to put some glue on the edge and on this edge. And you want to use a liquid glue. I find if you use like a tape runner, that glue never dries. So your odds are your gift card might get stuck. And just give that a second to do its thing. So we're going to fold that down and work on our greeting here. The stamps that I'm using is one of Maybe Made is called Birthday Wishes, and I'm using the one that says Happy Birthday. Already on my block, and I'm actually using Stampin' Up's Pear Pizzazz ink. And I'm going to stamp my greeting on an angle. This one I don't need to worry about it being straight. Alright, we're done with that and that. And I'm also going to add some gems. After I thought it looked kind of plain, so I'm going to add some rhinestones to this. I'm just using the smaller ones. And I'm using 3. And we'll do one down here. I want to flip that over and put some foam squares on it. I'm going to use 5. All the corners and then in the middle. Oops, they're all sticking to me. There we go. All right, oops, I forgot the one in the corner. All right, give all them a little squish. And then take the backings off. All right, we're going to set that aside. On our yellow piece here, just go ahead and put adhesive on half of it. All right, and we're going to take our card, bring this over and line it up in the middle. And then make sure there's no adhesive on this side, which there's not. And then take our greeting and put that on the front. Super simple little card. And I have a gift card holder right here, or a gift card. You can see it fits in there nicely, and having that thumb notch makes it easy for the recipient to get that out of there. So how cute is that, right? Very, very simple. I have a card kit right here. I do include the 3 little rhinestones as well as an envelope. And I will also include this card with an envelope as well. So to win the card kit, just leave me a comment below with a flower emoji, and I will announce the winner tomorrow on Saturday. Any questions, my friends, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.